I'm Kyle Eagen. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Molecular and Cellular Biology. We're interested in both understanding the basic processes of how the DNA is folded inside a cell, how DNA misfolding happens in human disease, and then how we can intervene in this misfolding to treat human diseases such as cancers, congenital limb malformations, and other diseases. Our goal is to attack this problem from multiple directions and take a holistic approach to solving this problem. We use advanced DNA sequencing technologies to map how the DNA is folded, advanced microscopy technologies to directly visualize nuclear organization and how DNA is folded inside the cell, and then chemical biology and pharmacology to develop tools to intervene in misfolding in human disease. This department has a long history of excellence in fundamental cancer biology. The department was founded over 50 years ago, and since that founding, has really pushed the limits of cell biology, understanding how cells work, how cells don't work during human disease, and then using that information to design new therapies and new interventions for diseases such as cancer. I think one reason to come to the Department of Molecular and Cellular Biology is because of the diversity of interests and expertise within the faculty, the students, and the staff in the laboratories. We span many different aspects of cell biology, biochemistry, stem cell biology, and it's a really exciting place to study interdisciplinary science and to do research. I chose to come to Houston because of a really exciting environment here in the Texas Medical Center. It's a really interactive and tight-knit community. You have really strong fundamental biology here at Baylor College of Medicine. And then I could walk down the street to colleagues at Texas Children's Hospital, for instance, and talk to pediatric oncologists about how our fundamental research in how DNA is misfolded inside cells could help them treat patients in the hospital. Houston and Texas are also a really good living environment. Cost of living is very reasonable. The quality of life is quite high. So it makes living here very, very easy and comfortable. I think it makes it really natural to combine very exciting fundamental biology with a great quality of life.